Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to send disappearing photos on Telegram. First of all, you can now just simply open the Telegram. After opening the Telegram application, you can now go to the chats icon at the bottom middle of the screen, and here you can see this type of interface. After this, you can now select the chat that you want to send disappearing photos. I can select this chat. After selecting the chat, you can now tap on attachments at the bottom left corner of the screen, and here you can select the photo or video. Here I can select this photo, so you can now just simply tap on the photo, and here you can see the option once at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can just simply tap on the option that you want. I can select view once, 3 seconds, 10 seconds or 30 seconds. After selecting this, you can now tap on send, and it is the way you can send disappearing photos on Telegram. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.